Hi, superstars. Today I'll be talking about the most highly sought after food product in Nigeria right now. Before now, palm oil was one of the most highly sought after food products and it used to be very, very lucrative. But guess what, my superstars? There's a higher food product that is sought after right now in the market. It is gold right now and is sold at a very high market price, and that is ginger. Before now, people used to look at ginger. Our beloved ginger is now very, very expensive because of the high demand. Ginger has a lot of benefits, health benefits, economic benefits. Okay, ginger can be incorporated into health drinks. It is used for health weight loss. Okay, ginger is used added to lots of medicines, herbal medicines, and all that. Okay, so ginger has suddenly spiked up in price. And guess what, my superstars? Nigerian ginger is one of the most sought after ginger. Before now, Nigerian ginger used to be everywhere, but people have realized that Nigerian ginger has very, very high potency. It has high aroma, very strong aroma. And apart from that, it has high oil production. So lots of other countries have now focused more on Nigerian ginger, the demand to buy from Nigeria. So ginger is now exported to other countries, and Nigeria is the third largest producer of ginger right now. After India, China, the next is Nigeria. But even with that, we have very little quantity of ginger available in Nigeria right now. Now, two tiny heads of ginger is sold at 500 naira, while a small paint bucket, custard bucket of ginger was sold at Marwan Market at 38,000 naira just few weeks ago, and 50 kg of ginger was sold at 300,000 naira. 50 kg bag of ginger, was sold at 300,000 naira. And right now in Nigeria, a ton of ginger is sold at 15 million naira. It is way higher than cocoa. Cocoa was trending. Lots of people were like, cocoa is expensive. But right now, ginger is more expensive than cocoa. So my superstars, this is a sign that you should go into ginger business, and I'll be telling you everything you need to know in order to make money from this hot product right now in Nigeria. Alright, so my superstars, stay with me. But in the meantime, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, my superstars. Okay, so I'll know that you are feeling me. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I know some people are like, Ivy, are you sure this ginger business is a good idea? Is it profitable? Yes, why superstars? Ginger is very, very profitable right now in Nigeria. You know that ginger can be used locally and can even be exported to other countries. Locally, ginger is added to food as a spice. Okay, it is used to make drinks, lots of health drinks. And right now in Nigeria, we are in that time where everyone wants to lose weight, where everyone wants to look healthy. And most of these weight loss recipes has ginger predominantly. Okay, so there's a high demand for ginger. All right, and internationally, okay, it can be exported to other countries like US, UK, Europe, Asia. Lots of countries need ginger in large quantities. So there's a high demand for ginger. Ginger can be sold and you make money in foreign currency. So there's actually a demand in Nigeria. But you know what? We have different forms in which this ginger can be sold. All right, and I'll be telling you right now. The different forms in which ginger can be processed is first into ginger powder. You know, ginger can be dehydrated in a dehydrator. Okay, it can be sliced into tiny sizes, light sizes, and then placed in a dehydrator where it is dehydrated, and then you ground it into ginger powder. All right, so there's a high demand for ginger powder. In ginger, in powder form, ginger is safe and very, very stable. It can be kept for a very long period of time. It has a very, very high shelf life. Okay, so ginger processed into ginger powder can be exported to other countries, can be kept for so many years without any issues at all. Okay, so the next form in which ginger can be processed into is ginger oil. Okay, so ginger has high oil content. It can be compressed, and then oil can be extracted from the ginger and then used for lots of medicinal purposes. Okay, so ginger oil from Nigerian ginger is very, very aromatic and is very, very potent. So lots of people need ginger oil from ginger in Nigeria. So ginger oil is very, very profitable in Nigeria. So the next form is that ginger can be added with other spices and then made into tea. It can be dried and then put in tea bags where it can be used and made tea can be made from it. Okay, so ginger can be dried, placed in tea bags with other spices or other leaves, and then it can be used to make ginger tea, mixed ginger tea. Now we'll be talking about how to get your ginger, where you can get your ginger in order to start ginger business in Nigeria. Okay, my superstar. So you know that ginger can be cultivated. All right, you can actually cultivate ginger by planting the ginger seeds. If you keep ginger for a while, you'll discover that it will start having this. What do I call it? It will start growing. All right. So if you happen to find rhizomes like that, you can plant it in the soil, and then it will grow in a loamy soil, well aerated and hydrated soil. It will grow. After 7 to 8 months, your ginger should have grown enough. Okay, you'll find out that the leaves from the ginger would have turned brownish, okay, and looks like it's dead. It means the ginger is ready for harvest. All right, from there you can harvest it and then sell it. But if you're someone who doesn't like stress at all, you don't like going into farming, you don't have time to go buy a land or get a land and then plant ginger, you just want to buy and sell, then you can get your ginger from the northern part of Nigeria. Northern states like Kaduna, Nasarawa, Bauchi, Gombe are large cultivators of ginger. They have very large expanse of land with very good soil that helps ginger thrive very, very well. So if you go to states like that, you'll find ginger in large quantities from there. You can buy it and then sell it. Okay, you can buy it from the north and then bring it to this part of the country. We have so many parts of the country, the eastern part of the country, okay, where there's a high demand for ginger. You can either buy it from the northern part of Nigeria and sell it in the eastern part of Nigeria, or you can go a step further and export it to other countries. All right, you can process it and then export it into other countries. We have a high demand for ginger, and processing it into other forms will help you stand out and then make you make good money from it. You can take advantage of social media to advertise your ginger. Guess what, my superstars? I saw someone advertise ginger on social media. That was how I got to know that ginger has hiked in price. So there's nothing you can't advertise on social media, and lots of people were clamoring to buy from that vendor. Okay, so by advertising on social media, you get to sell your ginger. All right, so that idle expanse of land just there and all that, think of planting ginger and then make loads and loads of money from it. Ginger is very easy to cultivate, very easy to maintain. Okay, all you need is just to weed around it once in a while, and it's not stressful. All right, you don't need fertilizers, you don't need anything. All you need is a good soil, and then it will grow and thrive, and in no time you have harvested and made your money. All right, my superstars. Okay, in the meantime, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.